You are probably asking yourself why it is hard to make money. Many say it's competition. In a competitive, open free market economy, it should not be possible to make millions and millions of rand in profits year after year after year, which is what it takes to get rich. Every economic fortune is a puzzle waiting to be solved. It is possible to get rich quickly, but it means throwing your life behind high-risk, high-return strategies. The concept of an extra income is fascinating, and everyone could use an extra buck, right? But getting rich or wealthy is a not-so-simple task, but takes hard work, determination, and a feasible business plan with an existing market waiting or willing to purchase your goods and services. Oh. And don't forget the long hours and skill required to acquire a growing financial portfolio. That's why I adore machines and equipment which generate income for you, especially those which are self-operational, the ideal plug-and-play money generator. So, stay tuned if you are wondering which machinery and equipment you should purchase for your new business. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video features 7 amazing machines and equipment that generate good returns for you in 2023 and 2024. But first, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you can receive more interesting videos like this. With that said, let's begin. Number 1, CNC machine. CNC machines are making parts around the world for almost every industry. They create and cut things out of plastics, metals, aluminum, wood, and many other hard materials. The word CNC stands for computer numerical control, but today everyone calls it CNC. So, how do you define a CNC machine? All automated motion control machines have 3 primary components: a command function, a drive or motion system, and feedback system. CNC machining is the process of using a computer-driven machine tool to produce a part out of solid material in a different shape. Selling things like wooden signs can generate around 50,000 rand to 60,000 rand per month in South Africa, normally converted to around 3,000 United States dollars. According to sources, there are numerous advantages of purchasing a CNC machine, which include the ability to program and use the same design on various materials multiple times. It requires minor training, skill, and education, and its ability to be used continuously. Disadvantages of purchasing a CNC machine. Although its market price is higher than manual-operated machines, they also require fewer operating staff, and this may result in retrenchment and job losses. Number 2, vending machines. Vending machines are an excellent passive income for entrepreneurs who desire to invest and require little effort to set up. Entrepreneurs can conduct business dealings to place such machines in other business outlets like laundromats and public libraries and continue to receive money. If you already have a perfect location for your machines, well, this one is for you. Reinvesting your revenue in vending machines will help you grow your business. Sooner or later, you will have a vending machine empire before you realize it. Benefits of starting a vending machine business include earning a decent passive income. They require little to no maintenance. Disadvantages of the business include finding a perfect location and a low income potential operating with only one unit. Number 3, inkjet wall printer. The vertical inkjet printer, also known as the wall painter, is an innovative way of wall design and also a signpost to the future in terms of environmental protection. You can print 3D/4D effects in full HD quality up to 9600 dpi. The bright and durable ink provides a lasting expression on walls or buildings. The wall printer machine beautifies walls indoors and out based on the inkjet printing technology. Moving along the wall on the track rails, controlled by laser sensors, it can print any digital image on virtually any surface. True color wall prints in the CMYK color spectrum. It prints an unlimited width and gives entrepreneurs the edge they need to offer bespoke printing services to clients. Benefits of purchasing a vertical wall printer includes full color services, with guaranteed quality and lucrative returns on investment. Cons of purchasing an inkjet wall printing device include poor printing quality if one purchased cheap brands or poor quality machines. Broken print head needles and machine movement issues. Number 4, mini excavator. This is a great investment to generate more money. Mini excavators have special abilities and a wide range of commercial and industrial uses like digging trenches and pits, tear down buildings, transport waste, and more. Many homeowners demand such equipment because of its convenience and versatility to execute home repair and refurbishment jobs. The purchase price to acquire a micro excavator is a business entry hurdle, costing around 592,000 rand, being around 30,000 United States dollars. Offering services and renting out micro excavators is definitely an ideal income generator. The advantage of owning such equipment include high market demand, high revenue streams, and longer operating hours. Cons of owning micro excavators include high maintenance and insurance costs, which means owning multiple mini excavators could be advantageous rather than one. Number 5. Pizza vending machines. Pizza vending machines are a new innovative way of receiving instant hot and delicious pizza with various flavors and toppings. Such equipment is not available in third world countries and can be a great passive income to entrepreneurs and can be placed in malls, bus stops, train stops, learning institutions like schools and universities, including other public locations. This machine has the capability to prepare pizza in 3 minutes and proved to have low maintenance characteristics and an extraordinary return on investments (ROI). A pizza vending machine can store around 1,020 Rand in income for every batch of 12 large pizzas priced at 85 Rand each. The benefits of purchasing a pizza vending machine is the internal microwave heating, which ensures clients get it hot and crispy, not forgetting the refrigeration compressor, which ensures items are stored at a low temperature and prolongs their freshness, with a sliding mechanism with a large capacity for bulky or delicate items. Cons for purchasing vending machines include potentially new competitors and increased administrative costs. Number 6. Commercial printing machines. Commercial printing is a growing market in South Africa and globally. The global printing industry is projected to grow at a CAGR of 1 to 2%, and estimates are $453 billion in 2021. Forecasting to touch $511 billion in 2029, growing at a CAGR of 1.5% from the year 2022 to 2029. Commercial printing machines are excellent for printing large papers, fabrics like cloth, tiles, and various materials. The digital screen printing machine can cost around 250,000 Rand or $14,000. The advantage to start a printing and branding business is the growing global demand for graphic printing, commercial sale advertising using freestanding banners, and specialized fabric printing, easy to maintain machinery, and high production capacity. The cons include a wide or large floor space is needed, expensive printing toners, and high installation costs. Number 7. Tree stump remover. If you own or desire owning a landscape business, this machine is definitely for you. Since most homeowners prefer to cut down trees on their own, they are often left with tree stumps. You can offer your services to homeowners or rent out your equipment. The normal cost to remove a tree stump nationally is around 2,500 Rand. Additionally, you may charge by the hour as it requires less time. Renting out such equipment may cost around 1,000 to 1,500 per day in South Africa. The pros of owning such equipment include a good passive income, a stable side hustle, and a quick return on investment. Cons of buying this equipment include creating a strong advertising platform to grow this business and liability insurance at the very least. There is new innovative technology being developed around the world like China, Germany, and Switzerland, which creating new markets for third world countries. So be creative and expand your horizon by taking a pen and paper and draft your ideas today. Thanks to technological advancements, we can now own profitable businesses and make money. Always keep in mind that no machine creates 100% passive revenue, it will always require some form of maintenance. Remember, if you are planning to choose something that works, always consider your passion, expertise, abilities, and spending capacity. You may want to do some additional research on the various models of machinery available on the market. Thank you for tuning in and reaching the end of the video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Also turn on the notification bell to receive new and fresh content.